In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do mail merge in LibreOffice Writer. By the end, you'll be able to generate a batch of personalized letters or emails from a single document using a list of recipients stored in a spreadsheet. Before opening Writer, prepare your data. Create a simple spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc or any compatible app with one row per recipient and clear column headers in the first row. Typical columns include first name, last name, address, city, and email if you plan to send messages electronically. Avoid blank rows, keep each piece of information in its own column, and save the file. It also helps to close the spreadsheet before you connect it in Writer. Now open LibreOffice Writer. From the top menu, go to Tools, then choose Mail Merge Wizard. This guided tool will handle the setup for you. At the start, pick the type of output you want. Letter for printed documents, or email message if you'll send it directly from LibreOffice. If you pick email, make sure your email settings are configured in LibreOffice ahead of time. Otherwise, choose letter. Next, click Select Address List and browse to your saved spreadsheet. If your file has more than one sheet, select the one with your recipients. Confirm that the first row contains field names so Writer knows how to map the data. Use match fields to align the wizard's expected fields with your actual column names. For example, if the wizard shows surname, but your spreadsheet says last name, link surname to last name. This step ensures the right information appears in the right place later. Take a moment to check addresses and names so the data flows correctly. Create your salutation by choosing the greeting text and the name fields. A common choice is Dear followed by first name or full name, and then a comma. You can also set a default for entries that might be missing a name, so your document still reads naturally. Position the address block and salutation where you want them on the page. The wizard can insert the address block automatically. You can nudge it with the mouse, adjust spacing, and format the paragraphs to match your letterhead. Make sure everything fits within your margins. Use the Mail Merge toolbar to preview your results. Click through a few records to confirm that names and addresses appear correctly and that the layout looks consistent. When you're satisfied, go to File, then Print. When asked, "Do you want to print a form letter?" click Yes. Choose to print all recipients or a specific range, confirm your printer settings, and start the merge. That's it. Your personalized documents are ready.